What's going on, guys? In this video, we're gonna talk about Lucid Motors. Once again, that's Lucid Motors with the ticker symbol LCID. Guys, in this video, it's a very exciting day for Lucid stockholders because we got another article here that says Lucid Group moves forward with production plans for Saudi Arabia, and also Lucid CEO anticipates 500k units produced annually by 2025, saying the planet can't wait. Guys, if you like the information and analysis I'll be providing in this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Let's get going. As you can see, guys, today is a very exciting day for Lucid Motors, Lucid stockholders, because we are currently trading higher at the price of $19.53. It's currently up 12.50% by the time of this recording. Now, if we scroll down here, this specific security has a buy according to 8 analysts. Okay, and also you can clearly see here if you go to the charts. Okay, so if we go to the charts, this stock has a 5-day performance of negative 3.61%, meaning it's down. The stock is down from the 5-day performance, but that doesn't matter because this stock is been booming with a lot of good news, and one of them being, as I said earlier, is of course Lucid CEO anticipates 500 units produced annually by 2025, saying the planet can't wait. Also, if you go to Twitter, guys, okay, it's very exciting. It says here, Lucid announces production factory in Saudi Arabia with a capacity of 155,000 units. Okay, and also, okay, so although I can't understand this, but this is the this tweet is from Saudi Project that was posted on May 18. But what's more exciting here is, of course, if you scroll down, there is a specific post from Public Investment Fund of Saudi Arabia that says PIF congratulates Lucid Motors on signing the agreement to open its first factory in Saudi Arabia. Okay, so this is the Public Investment Fund of Saudi Arabia. Okay, and of course there's a lot of haters. Okay, one of them being the lawyers that is actually up against Lucid Motors. Okay, so you scroll down here, and that can't really be avoided even before. Okay, so guys, we'd like to take a look at the interview of CEO himself, Peter Rawlinson, with from a reporter from Saudi Arabia.
Peter, it's great to have you on CNBC. Thanks so much for joining us. We're here in Jeddah to a big announcement for Lucid, announcing your first plant outside the United States, and you decided to put it right here in the kingdom.
Indeed, a seminal moment both for the company and for the kingdom. Lucid Motors' first move internationally, international manufacturing plant here in the kingdom, and the genesis of a motor industry here in a country famed for its oil resources, committed to going to sustainable mobility.
Yeah, it's incredible actually when you think about it against that sort of panacea of history. But this move by Saudi Arabia to move into electric vehicles, to really accelerate their own transition into clean energies, is something that they've been talking about for several years now, and this is a big move for them of implementation.
I think it's profound, and I think here is the connection, that there is an alignment with the Saudi Vision 2030 and the mission of Lucid Motors to really catalyze mankind's transition to sustainable mobility.
What does this mean for your bottom line as a company in terms of how quickly you're going to be able to produce these vehicles, and where are the markets you're looking to service from this particular plant?
Well, it means that we've got a really bright future, because with 150,000 units capacity here, and we add that to the 350,000 capacity capability that we'll have in Arizona mid-decade, that means we can accelerate plans to produce 500,000 cars a year from what was going to be 2030 to mid-decade, and that's really important because the planet can't wait.
Yeah, when you think about...
So guys, this article is from Benzinga. Lucid stock is racing higher. What's going on? So it says, if you scroll down here, it says here, Lucid Group Incorporated shares are trading higher Thursday after the company on Wednesday announced plans to set up manufacturing facility in Saudi Arabia. Lucid hosted a ceremonial signing event on Wednesday, which set the stage for the construction of its new facility, AMP2. Okay, later on, guys, I will show you how huge is the AMP1, okay, and which will have an initial capacity of 155,000 vehicles. The agreements which were put in place in February are estimated to provide $3.4 billion in financing and incentives for Lucid over the next 15 years, helping the company build and operate the new Saudi facility. Lucid expects the factory to help expand the company's global production capacity to 500,000 by by mid-decade. The government of Saudi Arabia also reaffirmed its commitment to purchase up to 100,000 Lucid EVs over a 10-year period. So guys, that's the first article that we would like to know that's happening today, which is pretty exciting. Okay, and also the next article is Lucid CEO anticipates 500k units produced annually by 2025, saying the planet can't wait. So this article is from electricvehicles.com and was actually also posted today. Okay, so you can clearly see here that Lucid's CEO Peter Rawlinson told CNBC's Hadley Gamble. Okay, so later on, guys, like I said, we will check the interview of Hadley Gamble, that the deal with Saudi Arabia will allow the company to produce 500 units per year by mid-decade instead of 2030 as initially planned. Okay, so 500 units, guys. Earlier this week, Lucid hosted a ceremonial signing event. So guys, I don't want to go in this article, but this article I have read a while ago from Benzinga. That means we can accelerate plans to produce 500,000 cars a year from what's going to be 2030 to mid-decade, and that's really important because the planet can't wait. Rawlinson added the ongoing energy crisis really just fuels the transition to battery electric vehicles, and that's the demand, and that demand is now multiplying. According to SEC form filed on May 13, George Soros Fund Management initiated position in Lucid Motors for the first quarter of 2022. The fund disclosed ownership of 600,000 shares of valued $15.24 million as of March 31st. On Friday, the company opened its first European retail location. So I've seen photos of this, the Lucid Studio at Odeonsplatz in Munich, Germany. Lucid expects to open additional studios and service centers in Germany, the Netherlands, Norway, and Switzerland in 2022, and that will be this year. And has the ambition to expand into additional key markets across European continent in the coming years. Okay, so the luxurious EV manufacturer unveiled on Tuesday its plan for the European expansion, announcing the first deliveries in late 2022 and the prices for Germany, Switzerland, Norway, and the Netherlands. So recently, the company announced that it has begun delivering in Canada, and I've seen videos of Humble Trader showing the Lucid Studio in Vancouver. In March, the luxurious EV maker opened its second studio in Canada, being located at the Yorkdale Shopping Centre in Ontario. At the time, Lucid also unveiled collaboration with Electrify Canada. Okay, so good news happening today with Lucid. Good news has been pouring for Lucid because of their efforts in their company. As previously announced, Lucid is increasing its prices in US and Canada for reservations made after June 1st. The starting price for Lucid's Air Pure is now 119,000 Canadian from 105,000 Canadian. Okay, there you go, guys. Exciting news for Lucid Motors. as far as technical analysis is concerned, guys, of course, sentiment also drives the price of the stock higher. As you can see in my Webull chart, guys, we have a volume of 32.46 million as opposed to the average volume of 25.55 million. According to the order flow, more people are buying rather than selling the stock. Okay, so like I said yesterday in my past video, we already found a bottom, and it seems that we are now trading in the demand zone, and the next stop is $20, around $20. That will be the next resistance, which is it's been very tough for the Lucid stock in the past few weeks. But also, as you can see, we have a lot of room to the upside because our RSI is only 52.13, and your MACD, this is your daily time frame, guys, which is a more bullish way of looking at your Lucid stock. Okay, so if you go to your MACD started crawling to the upside. Okay, and if you go to your 4-hour time frame, okay, our RSI is only 60.52, which means, as I've said earlier, we have a lot of room to the upside, and we have a lot more people buying rather than selling the stock. Okay, so guys, like I said a while ago, okay, there's lots of good news coming for Lucid. This is a long-term investment for each and everyone. So if you guys are excited for Tesla, you should also be excited with Lucid Motors, as they are starting to move forward with the new facility AMP2 in Saudi Arabia. Guys, if you like the information and analysis I have provided in this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Once again, this is your boy Don Leo Trades. I love you all. Peace out.